Hello, welcome to another project update. So, today I did some more scripting for the boss enemy here. It's called IncineratorBot. Um, it's unfortunately I wasn't able to do all of the stuff that I kind of wanted to do today, but I did get some basic movement logic with it working. All right, so I'm just gonna run it and show you kind of what happens now. All right, so in the console down here, I have the I have the I have it printing the debug sort of thing based on based on like the current state. So you'll see here it went from initialize to pursue. So the initial state was initialize, and the next state was pursue. So now you can see it's pursuing me. If I'm far away, it'll kind of chase me down. If I'm kind of off to the side, it'll start rotating towards me, and it will not move and rotate at the same time. And there, so this is technically deliberate, but it is intentional. I'm about to show you. But if I go too far to the side, it'll stop. And oh, hold on a second. Hmm. We're supposed to print another statement, but it didn't. All right, hold on. Let me take a look and see what's going on. Oh, that's why. All right, let's do this again. So if I the angle between if I'm too far off to the side of the incinerator bot, it's going to yeah, there you go. It went from pursue to quick turn. So currently quick turn is not functional, and yeah, it's pretty much permanently stuck now. It's never going to do anything again because the script isn't finished. But yeah, the basic movement logic is well, it's there. I think it's going to need some tweaking. Like for example, I think that when the player is on like the threshold between right, so the way the logic works is if the the angle between the direction that the robot is facing and the direction towards me is like greater than um what is the what is the ah is greater than 10 is greater than 10 degrees, then it will stop moving and rotate towards me. And then when the angle is at 10 or less, then it'll start moving forward. So I think what I should do maybe is have a bit of a delay or countdown time where it won't transition from one state to another, or it won't transition from like it won't transition between like rotating and like moving within like less than a second. I think that'd probably be a good idea. Because the problem is that if I like hang out in if the well, I'll just kind of show you. So if I hang out in like the threshold between the like where it rotates and where it moves forward, so it's like around 10 degrees, it'll just I can pretty much just abuse it and like have it continuously rotate forever. Another thing I can do is I could just make it so that it can move and rotate at the same time, which is probably a bit more ideal. Or I can have like a over I can make sure there's like an angle where it'll only rotate and an angle where it'll move, and I'll kind of have like a little bit of overlap between those. Because I feel like if the player is too far off to the side, then it shouldn't move. It should focus on rotating. Then again, I guess that's kind of what the quick turn function is for. anyways, that's pretty much it for today's video. I apologize I couldn't get a bit more done, but it is what it is. Anyways, yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.